In this video, the respected manager of National Plywood Factory of Arunachal Pradesh will be explaining the process of making plywood.
We are from that reserve forest. Oil heat. The oil heat is easy for detail oil everywhere circulating. Here, these are the pillar machine. 1, 2, 3. In milling, we are taking different type of veneer. Thin, 0.3 to 3 mm. Different type of thicknesses. Then, after pilling, we cut here and comes like that. These are the cores and this is the frame. We are putting the core and for the surface we are very thin, like a paper. This is for covering. White and red. This is Mackay. Mackay is white and Holland is red. So red and white. And in course we are also maintaining that ratio, 1 by 1. After this veneering, we are trying here, this that varies according to the green logs or some semi-dry logs. If semi-dry is there, 28%. If fully green, 32%. So by using this brand inside coils, thin veneer takes 5 minutes time to dry and thick veneer takes 15 minutes. 15 minutes to dry. Now it is dry one. This is dry. This is dry. This is 6 to 8% moisture. 6 to 8%. This is an ideal for it. If we keep more, then the chance of delamination is also. So we maintain 6 to 8% moisture here. After evaporating the moisture from here, this goes for the shorting. Segregated red, coarse, soft, hard, all these segregations are going. Edge cutting. After gluing, after spreading, this is being edge cut. Here the plywood adhesive part starts. Here we control, this is a control panel. Here we control the temperature as well as pressure as well as the timing. So temperature is required 140 just for plasticization. Timing is 15 minutes and this pressure comes to that 100 kg per cm square. So after this curing time is near about 15 minutes, in 19 mm it is 20 minutes, in 12 mm it is 13 minutes. So we keep in this temperature, after that comes to plasticization. This is unloading system and we use the aluminium cloth, both sided, because aluminium is a best heat conductor combination. It is called PF resin. PF resin is a waterproof resin. So whatever product we manufacture, this is waterproof. 100%. So we are passing these cores, chain cores through this. This is passes through this one. For threading. This adhesive is used both sides. Is the inside of the plywood, even up to the last layer inside. Yes, that will be delaminated. So this is also assembling, same type, both type. We are surface setting for this final, because chemical or any dust may there. So this is final setting. After this final setting, that comes for here just by the hand checking. Every board is being checked by the hammer, good hammer, so that if there any, so this type of healthy sound should be there. This is checked by the manually, and after this checking, that comes here. But this is also required with the hand setting. The polish, that shining, that type of shining will not be erased. So just to get that shiny, we are sending through these. These are the sender. That is called the white belt sender. Yes, this is Italian sender. So this pass through this one for the surface sending. All these are the patching works, and if there is any gap, that ladies are doing, because they are best in that one. So after this sending, the pressing and sending part is complete. After that, we are surfacing chemical dipping. For that, just to stop the borer attack, fungal attack, any type of attack, we are putting in that copper chrome solution. This is the copper chrome plant. This whitish will be, after that coloring, the color will be like that. We are making color. So this total unit is copper chrome solution unit, and we are passing from this in the heated, and after that this is completion. After this is waterproof, borer proof, termite proof, and all the fungal and all these attacks. Artistic work done by the ladies, stamping and all these, the perfection of the ladies. So they are our skilled, and they are putting this, and they are very much perfect in that. They do their work very sincerely, very sincere, gentle ladies. After this completion, yes, this is ready for dispatch. This is already stamped, and our brand is Nestle. But in this Corona season, the production is low. Otherwise, we are the masters of the plywood. Leader since 1951. The Nestle plywood. Also, we have exported to the Nepal, Bhutan, and so many neighboring countries. We are exporting our plywood also. Full truck load is being assembled there. When the truck is ready for dispatch, this is an loading bay. Loading bay comes and compact in a truck. But though it is in loose seats, no any packing or like that. Loaded in the trucks and dispatched to the different destination. Our main buyers are in Cochin, Trivandrum, Bangalore, Bombay. Main buyers are like that, because those who required quality, they will buy national. We are the quality manufacturer. Yes, in the plywood manufacturing, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you from my channel also.
Oh yes. Thank you, ma'am. So kind.